Hello and welcome friends in the channel Tech Learner. Today in this session we will learn how to create template document in MS Word. We can create templates for any of the Office application, documents, slides or books or spreadsheet we can say to use in the future with the same formatting and the same some certain and the prefixed settings and formats. So today we will learn in this session about the templates and how we create and store in our system to use in the time by time without changing their formats. So simply we will create in this session of a letterpad for our organization Tech Learner, and we'll store save it in the format of docx or doctm. What's the format? Different formats in this word templates. So let's begin. First of all, create a blank document. We will set up prefix settings like margin. Let's set margin to narrow. Orientation, we need letterpad for portrait. Size should be, normally we have the letters in the but in the market we got the A4 size paper, so we'll set A4 size 8.227 multiply 11.69. So this size, and the column, we don't need columns, so we are here and double clicking in here to go to the header section, or we can simply go through the insert and from here to headers, and different types of headers here. So we will choose E. So our channel's name is learners. Address G. So it's going to be our simple. We will place our text box here for our financial year and for date. Or we can manually while we will type the letters. So for now, and here should be reference number. We printed the letter, we put here. So just format it. So no field, that's good. Outline, we don't need outline, so let's format this. We will place here save, or I can use this one for outlines and mm, it. Mm, Size this much is our donors, and the demo address, I'm hiding this address so it doesn't read it. Tag donors. So this is our, so we can draw another text box. We don't need outlines too, and we'll decrease this up. Here we will place here to type. Nine, it is 24th of October, 24, 24. Yeah, so instance of 22, and we can miss it. So go to the here and decrease this, just go outside because our date should be matched with it. This is great. Our indent should be much closer. So that's guys. So go to the end, we can place a date here, and just will E for subject, or two dot dot, or two dot 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 dot. That is the subject, and our meters, and independence. That's it. You can partition it. That's it, guys. Our letterpad is done. So next step is shaving it. Shave it here in the letterpad 2024. So we are not saving in the document, we are saving in the word template. So we can save it different word time macro enabled if you have enabled macros, or document or template. We are just saving word template and save and open, double clicking on it. It will create a blank document but with the same technology. See this document one, but all the same things. So if we will delete it or change it, let's see. This is our word document, it is template, and this is our document. This is as it is, as it is, same thing. You can delete, customize it every time. If we want to customize the template, just right click on it and open. Don't double click and open, just open here, right click and open. It will open the same file. So I don't want this dummy text, so I will just delete it and place some dashes here. Control S, don't shift from their file. So if I double click on it, got this file, and we can type letters once again. Thank you friend, thanks for watching, and if you have any queries please comment below.